In today's video, you will get amazing tools that you can actually use to make your business life on social media so much easier. Now, social media management takes a lot of time. If you're doing it or if you're hiring someone to do it, most probably you will need to know the tools that you need to use and that your social media manager needs to use so that you can have effective results in terms of your social media marketing. These tools will help you schedule, design, and even come up with content ideas so that you can be able to deliver on social media management in the best way that you can. Now, if you're here for the first time, welcome. I want to take this moment and remind you, click the subscribe icon so you can get notified when the videos go live, because we talk about digital marketing a lot on this channel. And since you clicked on this video, it seems that you're interested in videos like this. Now, if you're returning, welcome back. I so appreciate you. You can't even imagine how much I appreciate you. So the first tool I want to share with you is the Creator Studio by Facebook. Here you'll be able to use it on both your Facebook account and your Instagram account to actually schedule out your content and create posts and content in that area as well. So that means when you have your Facebook and Instagram accounts connected to the Creator Studio, you'll be able to schedule out all content without a third-party app, which means that you're going to be favored in the algorithm because you're not using a third-party app. You're actually using Facebook, which is the owner of Instagram. The second tool that I want to share with you is Quora. Quora, and anything like Quora, where people ask questions and other people answer, is a great place for you to start doing research. There you'll be able to find an abundance of information that you can use for your YouTube videos, your Facebook posts, your Instagram posts, or any kind of post that you want to add on your social media accounts. Because in the end, if the post that you're creating isn't relevant to your audience or there's no questions about it, then the post is not going to be relevant to anyone and your engagement is going to be very low. When you go onto Quora, have certain keywords in mind so that you can search the keywords there and try to find what people are asking and then go and create content in that sense. Now, if you're liking this video so far, I want you to comment below and tell me, what tools do you use for your social media marketing efforts? The next app that I want all of you to try out is Ask the Republic. Ask the Republic allows you to search keywords in a visual format and gives you other options of the keyword that you search. So for example, if you search for social media marketing, you're going to get different topics for social media marketing, and you'll be able to create new topics from things that you've already talked about. So that way you can come up with new titles and new content so that you can share on your blog or your social media accounts so that you can have an abundant amount of content out there. The next two tools are for everyone that uses YouTube: TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere. TubeBuddy gives you the volume and the search result of videos on YouTube for a certain key term, and Keywords Everywhere works on YouTube and on Google. Keywords Everywhere is a paid Google Chrome extension that you can add, but it's so worth the investment and it's so accurate that you're gonna get such good results with it if you know how to use the tool. Now, the next tool, of course, a lot of you are probably already know it, which is Canva. Now, I've already created a video on how you can use Canva to design, even though you don't have graphic design skills, in this video right here. And you can go into that video and learn exactly how you can be using Canva. The beauty with Canva is that it gives you predefined templates. So if you're just starting out, it's really hard to start with a blank canvas and try to create something from that. Now, with time, you're gonna be able to create different designs, even your lead magnet, even a resume, or any kind of information. You can create it in Canva, and then you can use it for printing it out or using it for social media. The reason why I love Canva is because it kind of teaches you what looks good with one another, and then it allows you to develop this skill, and then you'll be able to start to create your own designs, and then you might get to a point where you feel like you can take it a step further and do your own designs on Photoshop or even hire out a graphic designer. And the next tool that I want to share with you is the tool that you should use when you decide on collaborating with someone or using them as an influencer in your market. Now, a lot of people are buying followers and likers and comments, and even on YouTube they're buying views. So Social Blade helps you determine the quality of the account that you're going to collaborate with. Now, the person you're checking out on Social Blade needs to have a certain level of followers and statistics for them to show up properly on Social Blade. But if someone tells you they have 10,000 followers and they can do a post for, let's say, $500, you can go into Social Blade and just double check that their statistics are good and they match what you're looking for. In next week's video, there's going to be a very important topic and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for next week's video. Now, if you're on Facebook or Instagram, make sure you go to @socializethat and follow me over there as well, because I share daily tips on how you can grow your accounts and how you can use social media in general so that you can grow the accounts that you're managing. And that's it. I'll see you in next week's video.